Hello everyone. Today we are going to see MCQs on atomic structure. So let's start. Question number 1. Electrons that orbit outermost shell of an atom are called as first one, and your answer is valency electrons. Question number 2. The total number of nucleons in the nucleus is called its mass number. Question 3. Why has nuclear energy become an inevitable option for the development of the country? And your answer is due to the acute shortage of other sources of energy. Question 4. How much amount of nuclear energy burnt is equivalent to the energy produced by 3000 tons of the coal? And your answer is 1 kg. Question 5. Nucleus consists of two subparticles, which is called as nucleons. Question number 6. What is the most attractive part of the nuclear energy? And your answer is it causes no pollution. Question number 7. On which law the nuclear energy explained? And answer is Einstein law. Question 8. Number of protons in the nucleus is called, and answer is atomic number. Question number 9. To disrupt the nucleus and separate it into its component nucleons, energy must be supplied from outside, and this energy is called as, answer is binding energy. Question number 10. The net neutrons produced per initial neutrons, accounting for all possible losses, is called, and is called as multiplication factors. Question number 11. In the wave mechanical model of an atom, degenerate energy levels have, answer is equal energy. Number 12. Question number 12. Number of atomic orbitals in nth shell is, answer is n square. Question 13. Proton attract electrons. Then why do electrons not fall on the nucleus? Your answer is electrons in ground state cannot radiate energy. Question 14. Electronic configuration of Cu is AR 3D10 4s1, 3D to the power 10 and 4s to the power 1. ऐसा है बच्चों ये. Which rule is violated in this configuration? And the rule is Aufbau principle. Question number 15. Around 1911, Rutherford suggested a planetary model of atomic structure. Which of the following was not a preposition of this model? And your answer is nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Question number 16. When an electron shifts to an inner shell, it emits a photon. Question number 17. Which of the Bohr's postulate was incorrect? And your answer is electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed circular orbits. Question number 18. Which of the following orbitals do not exist? And your answer is 3f orbital. Question number 19. Quantum numbers are solutions of, and answer is Schrodinger's wave equation. Question 20. Which quantum numbers gives the shell to which electron belongs? And your answer is small n, option A. Question number 21. What is the maximum number of electrons in the shell? And the maximum number of electrons is twice n square, option D. Question number 22. Which of the following quantum numbers gives the shapes of atomic orbitals of subshells? And your answer is option B, L. Question number 23. The total value of magnetic quantum numbers are, your answer is twice L plus 1. Question number 24. How many values does the spin quantum number have? Answer is 2. Question number 25. The probability of finding an electron is uniform in every direction is in which orbital? Your answer is S. Which of the following is not an application of inclusion exclusion principle? Your answer is maximum flow problems. Question number 27. Who invented the concept of inclusion exclusion principle? Abraham D. Mowry. Question 28. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to generalizing the solution using inclusion exclusion principle? And your answer is excluding cardinalities of triple-wise intersections. Question number 29. Any wave function can be written as linear combinations of, answer is, eigenfunctions. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a characteristic of wave function? And your answer is, it is physically significant. Now, there are some true-false based questions. Question number 31. The atom as a whole is electrically charged. It is false. Question number 32. 4f orbital has higher energy than 5p. Yes, it is true. Question number 33. Paired electrons in an atom have equal values of all the 4 quantum numbers. And no, its answer is false. Question number 34. The subshell digit square has no nodal plane. And it is the true answer, true statement. Question number 35. Nodes are the plane where the probability of finding an electron is 1. It's a false. Question number 36. According to inclusion exclusion principle, A n-tuple-wise intersection is included if n is even. It is false. Question number 37. Counting intersections can be done using the inclusion exclusion principle only if it is combined with De Morgan's law of complementing. Yes, it is true. Question number 38. Schrodinger wave equation can be derived from the principle of quantum mechanics. Yes, it is true. So, thank you.